What if I told you there's a niche blowing up right now, and the only reason you haven't started it yet is because you haven't seen this video? Let me show you a channel called Ghibli Days. They've uploaded just 16 videos and already crossed 71,000 subscribers. What's even more interesting is that one of their videos, posted about a month ago, has reached over 1.8 million views. On average, their videos pull anywhere between 20,000 and 900,000 views, which clearly shows that this type of content has strong demand. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can create a similar channel. All you need to do is stay focused throughout this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of videos. First, let me show you an example of what I was able to make using the same process I'll be teaching you here. All right, now let's move into the main tutorial. The first step to creating your own video is to visit the channel and take a screenshot. Once you have the screenshot ready, here's what you need to do next. Open ChatGPT. Click on the plus icon here and make sure you choose Add Photo or File. Simply select the channel screenshot you took and upload it to ChatGPT. After that, tell ChatGPT that you want to build a channel similar to this one and ask it to suggest 5 video ideas that could go viral in the same style. Then hit Generate and give it a moment. It will first examine the image and then give you exactly what you asked for. 5 Ghibli-style animation concepts that have strong viral potential for your channel. For example, look at this first idea. A rainy evening at Grandpa's house. Tea, stories, and warm lights. That already sounds interesting and like something people would actually want to watch, right? Once you've received your ideas and picked the one you want to use, after that, I've already prepared a Google Doc for you. All you need to do is open the Google Doc and copy the prompt from there. When you open the document, the first prompt you'll see is the one used to generate your script. Copying that one, then go back to ChatGPT. You don't need to start a new chat. You can continue in the same one. Now paste your prompt here. Make sure you go to the section where it says to write a script based on the following title or idea. That's where you'll paste your selected title and idea. Replace it with your own title. Once you've done that, click Generate. Give it a moment. ChatGPT will understand exactly what you're asking for and will create a script that you can use to produce your visuals and everything else. Now this is the script it's generating. The next step is to head back to the Google Doc again. Scroll down and you'll find a visual prompt. This prompt is what you'll use to generate your visuals, including your images, animation, and dialogue. So basically, everything will be created in one go using Google VEO 3. So copy this prompt, the one that allows you to generate everything at once, and then go back to ChatGPT. Paste it here and click Generate. That's it. Right away, ChatGPT will understand what you're trying to do and will first create the prompt for your first scene, which is the image generation prompt. Once that's done, it will also generate the animation prompt you'll need to turn those images into animations using Google VEO 3. So now that you've followed the steps, you can see exactly how the process works. As you can tell, we've generated all of this. In some cases, your output might even be longer. That's why we're only using 7 scenes in this tutorial. This is exactly how you get your prompts. The next step is to start generating the images. First, copy the very first prompt, which is for scene 1. Then open Whisk or any AI image generator you prefer. I personally use Whisk, so just click Enter here, and it will take you to this page. Once you're there, paste the prompt and make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's ideal for YouTube long-form videos. After that, simply click Generate, and Whisk will create a clean, Ghibli-style image for you. You can see that it looks very close to the style that channel is using. So this is the exact process you need to repeat to generate all your images. Just go back to scene 2, copy that prompt as well, and then return to Whisk. Select the entire previous prompt, delete it, paste the new one, and generate the next image. I followed the same method to create all the images you're seeing here. Now that we have the images ready, the next and most important step is turning them into animations. To do that, I'm going to use Way in Video. This tool is a real game changer for Google VEO 3 videos because it makes the whole process much easier, especially for beginners. When you click the link in the video description, it will take you to Way in Video. Way in Video comes with several features like AI clip detection, video summaries, AI-generated videos, transcripts, subtitles, and AI reframe. But for this tutorial, we're only going to focus on the main one, which is AI video. So go ahead and click on it. This will open the page where all your generation will happen. The first thing you need to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for Google VEO3. Once you've copied it, return to Way in Video and paste the prompt here. After that, the next step is to select your model. You need to choose the model you want to generate your videos with. In our case, we'll be using Google VEO3 since it gives the best results. When you scroll down, you'll see the available options. Just select VEO3 Fast since it's more affordable in terms of credits. Once you click on it, you'll see it selected here. Next, change the mode from text to video to image to video so you can access the two upload icons. When you see the image upload icon, click on it and upload the image you created in Whisk. I'll start by uploading the first image. Now that your image is uploaded, the next step is to adjust the settings. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then change the resolution to 1080p and make sure the duration is set to 8 seconds. Once you've matched all these settings, you can go ahead and click Generate. This is exactly why I mentioned that Way in Video makes this process much easier compared to most other tools. As you can see, it automatically tries to refine and improve the prompt so the animation comes out as good as possible. For example, it optimizes the prompt by understanding both the image and what the prompt is asking, and then adjusts it to get the best result. Once the tool understands everything, it will begin refining and improving the prompt so it can deliver the best possible result. Right after that, it will start generating the video. At this point, just give it some time to process. As you can see, Way in Video has finished creating the animation for us. The next step is to repeat this process for all your scenes, generating each animation one by one. After that, download all the clips to your device. Now that we have the animations ready, the final step is to combine them. And for that, we're going to use CapCut. This is all you need to do next. Open CapCut, click on Import, and select all the clips you generated from Way in Video. Once all the clips are inside CapCut, simply drag them into the timeline one by one in the correct order, just like I've done here. Once you're done with that, you can choose to add a filter to make the animation look more vibrant. In my case, I'm going to use the Clear 2 filter. I'll drag it into the timeline like this and then stretch it so it covers the entire video. You can lower the intensity if you feel it's too strong, but I'll keep mine around 88. Now we're almost done. The next step is to add captions. All you need to do is click on Caption here. Once that's set, click Generate and give CapCut a little time to process it. All right, now our captions have been added successfully. You don't need to apply any templates or animations to the captions. Simply click on the caption, go to Basic, and choose the option with the dark stroke. That's it. Your captions will stand out clearly like this. So yeah, that's basically how you can create this type of video. It's not complicated at all. You just need a bit of patience while the animations are being generated. Now let me show you the final result we created in this tutorial.
He always slept right there.
I know, like nothing could disturb him.
It smells nice in here.
Yeah, it always does when it rains.
He used to sit here every evening. Still feels like he never left.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.